Hello, welcome guys. Uh, Today we will talk about one heat tab that is not giving results. So you can see here that's MMImage Representive Query version 1. Can you see this? I already qualified for this heat tab, but when I click on start, when I try to judge this, it says there are no hits available. It could be that hits are all list out. Please try again. But I'm trying this for a few days, but I'm not getting any result of this. I already mailed this UHRS community, but they have not responded to me yet. So if any one of you have any idea how to resolve this issue, that will be absolutely helpful for me. Because can you see this? I'm not getting this. So it may be possible that this heat tab may be broken, right? So if you may be watching my videos and if you know that if you are having access to this image representative query version 1, please let me know how to activate this, how to get this activated, how to do work on this, because it always says that there are no hits available. So please help me. Okay, so it'll be great help to me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.